Let's go on to read Luke's Gospel, 24th chapter, from verses 4 onwards. And it came to pass, as they were much perplexed, they abode, behold, two men stood by them in shining garments. And as they were affrighted and bowed down their faces to the earth, they said unto them, Why seek ye the living among the dead? He is not here, but risen. Remember how he spake unto you when he was yet in Galilee. Dear children of God, we read about the great resurrection of our Jesus Christ. He is not here. Jesus is resurrected. So, this experience that we must hold in our life, the resurrection, there is a power in the resurrection. There is a great credibility in the resurrection. There is a great freedom in resurrection. We know about Jesus risen. He's not here,